Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and this video is way long overdue. This canvas, I got it when I had moved to grandma's. It went to my old house, but this is a canvas that Julio had bought me from Common Canvas Designs for Black Friday. It was a Black Friday gift for me. There was a deal going on. They had a % off, and he let me pick out a canvas from them. And it took about like 3 weeks to come in, give or take, or maybe a little bit longer. And I brought it over to my new home, grandma's house, and I unpacked the drills and I took a look at it with him to see, but I never made a video on it. So, and I saw it sitting up, and I'm like, what is that box? It was sitting on top of the ferret cage. It's my Common Canvas Designs. So, comes in this, if you haven't seen a Common Canvas Designs, how it's shipped, comes in this plain white box, which is nice, with their little label on it, and a sticker of your canvas on the top. So everything I have is already separated. I had just put the canvas back in here, but I'm going to take her out and put her under the mattress after this. Because she's just been sitting rolled up and she's got to straighten out. I'm crinkling it. Okay. So at the top is our schematic going sideways, which I'll probably have to cut off because I can't read it like that. But from top to bottom, here's our girl. This is the girl that Julio picked out for me. She is part of a collection that I am collecting eventually. Their canvases are more on the pricier side, about $68 and some change, and they don't usually do coupons or discounts. Maybe for Black Friday they did them on special occasions, but they're not like Diamond Art Club where you can find it 10% off or 20% off every so often, or 15% off. So yeah, so here she is. She's super beautiful. And if you don't remember who this company is, this is the company that I did with the cotton candy girl with the pink and the purple and the dark blues. Had cotton candy. She was holding cotton candy, and she had the off-the-shoulder dress in pink with the pink hair. It was a really stunning piece. I loved it. Some of the drills were a little bit kind of trashy. But other than that, I still had enough drills to do the whole canvas, so it worked out. I didn't get the ABs with the kit, with that particular kit. With this company, you get charged per charted AB. So, I mean, you can probably get up to 10 charted ABs, but you're going to pay for every single color, which is why I haven't really been getting ABs. I think Julio got me ABs on her, maybe one charted AB, because we were getting a discount. So the money that we weren't spending full price on the canvas, we spent on getting an AB. I don't know if he got me one or two, but isn't she gorgeous? There is a couple canvases with these girls with color hair and flowers to match around them. There are 2 girls with pink hair with flowers around them. I really want them, but he really liked the blue one, and he was paying for it, and I wanted her anyway too. So this is a licensed artwork. There you go, Enchanted Serenity by Anne-Laure Goupil. I think she does all these pieces. They're really, really beautiful. Has Common Canvas Designs website right here. And just one schematic. They do send sticker labels, which is nice. I've been keeping this under something heavy because it was kind of curled. And it sends you a big sticker. So I have a nice one for her for my logbook for my premium canvases that I'm going to be logging. So 61 colors sounds about right, because the last canvas I did with this company, I think, was at like 68 colors. And that was my first canvas that I ever did with a lot of colors. Now I've been doing Diamond Art Clubs, and they're all, I mean, the canvas I just completed for Diamond Art Club had 74 freaking colors, and it's smaller than this canvas. So yeah, as much as I don't like having a lot of colors on a canvas, all these big canvases I've been doing from premium companies, they have lots of colors. What did I do with the drills? Oh, it does come with a toolkit, but I don't remember where I put the toolkit. I separated everything like before Christmas. It does come with washi tape. They send their own pink washi tape. I think they send pink washi tape for all of them, which I love. And this is how they bag up their drills. You make sure this is the right canvas. 4, 5, 6, 0. Yes. Let's see. Did I get any ABs with her? I don't want to take them out of the baggie, but and they do these by DMC code. And every color is separated into their own group. That's how they do it. Spilling everything. Not sure. I may have not gotten ABs. I may have told them it wasn't worth it. Let me put it back in the bag before I make a mess out of everything. Well, I don't see ABs in this kit. A lot of mint greens, a lot of blues, teals. There's our black. We have some colors. I think these are her eyeshadow colors. Blues. Let's check the other bag real quick. I know I spilled another drill. I do like how they bag them up in these zippy bags. Tell me I can't close it now. Ryan and struggle bus to close stuff. Okay, I think I got it. Let's check this other bag real quick. I don't remember if I got ABs, you guys. Could have sworn I did. Maybe I didn't. Didn't I order another Common Canvas Designs? Oh my god. My memory is dense. So maybe I'm thinking of the other canvas I ordered. I had already ordered and got in, and I'm pretty sure there's a video up on my channel of it. I think I had ordered another canvas from Common Canvas Designs, and because I got a $25 coupon off of that one, I believe that's the one I got the charted AB on. So no charted ABs on this one, but that's okay. I have ABs in my stash. I can add them as I see fit, like I did the other one. But I mean, it turns out so pretty as is. There, you know, as much as I love bling and shiny and ABs and sparkle, 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 sometimes there's an exception to some canvases. They look just fine just the way they are. So here's our girl. Isn't she gorgeous? That face. The face is huge. And she's just like the other girl I remember doing. Confetti in the face. The Cotton Candy Girl was nothing. Almost the entire canvas, aside from the background and some spots, had, you know, color blocking, but it was 85% confetti. Even her skin was all confetti. But you know what? as much as I want to complain about it, that canvas, from when you stand away from it and you're not on top of it, it looks wonderful. It looks absolutely wonderful. So I'm assuming she's gonna turn out just as pretty as the other one. Now I gotta sit down and try to remember what other one I ordered, because I don't remember. This has been so long. But yes, this was a Black Friday purchase, and I'm really sorry, you guys, that I'm just showing this to you now, because now we're after Christmas and New Year's and all those sales and stuff like that. But I did want to show her off what Julio bought me. I think she's super pretty. Let's do one more pan of her. A lot of confetti in this canvas from what I'm looking at. The background is kind of color blocking, but the roses, her hair, her skin, her eyes. Look at her eyes. How much confetti is in her eyes, you guys? Well, you know what? I have no doubt she's going to turn out really, really pretty. So that's it. I know you probably saw me show my hand. I have my hand in one of the, I bought a brace, carpal tunnel brace from Amazon. And I also bought the same one for my right hand, which isn't coming in until Saturday. I have a doctor's appointment for Monday to get my hands checked out. Ever since I started Christmas gifts before Christmas, into Christmas, and after Christmas, when I started doing these bigger paintings with Diamond Art Club and stuff, my 3 fingers have been numb on and off, and I've been having pain in this area and in this area, in my hand, on the tops of my fingers. Same thing, these 3 here, pain. I tried to frost cupcakes the other day at work. Cookies. I tried to frost cookies. I was in such excruciating pain. My hands were cracking and pinching, and oh, it was really excruciating. So I heard the braces kind of help. So I've been wearing this for about 2 hours now. It just came in today, and I tried to diamond paint with it. It's not bad. I'm able to still diamond paint. At least I feel like this, while I'm diamond painting, will give me a little bit more support, because it's just being heavy-handed and stuff like that. My hands are just bad. I was talking to Tita about it. It's probably carpal tunnel syndrome. I really don't want to have surgeries, because I can't afford to be out of work at the moment. So I'm going to see if there's anything the primary doctor, other than braces, things that I could do. I am taking Tylenol and Motrin and stuff like that, and icing them while I'm laying in bed at night. Yesterday, I didn't even diamond paint at all. I just kitted up a diamond painting, a very small one, a 30 by 40 that it's for somebody else. It's gifted for somebody else. So that's it. You know, I'm kind of gonna do the small one and take a break from a big one. I did 3 big Diamond Art Clubs back to back to back. So I probably overdid it. I've been overdoing it since Christmas. I've just been overdoing it. So last night I tried to crochet. I did a couple rows and put it down, did a little bit more, and I put it down. But mostly iced it. So I'm just trying to be careful, because I don't want to totally screw up my hands where I can't diamond paint or crochet anymore, or work in the bakery. That would be a problem if I have to quit my job because of my hands, because my hands is my livelihood. That's how I work. So even the crossing guard, my hands have to be able to work to hold up a stop sign for long periods of time while I'm crossing kids. So my hands are everything right now. So, yeah, guys, just let's cross our fingers that I don't have too much bad news when I go to the doctor on Monday. I'll keep you guys posted. But I hope you enjoyed seeing this blue-haired beauty with me. I am so sorry it took me so long to show her to you guys. I just noticed her in the corner of my eye. She's gorgeous. This is a great company. But they're not like Diamond Art Club where they have a point system for every dollar you spend. and those points add up to coupons. You know, they're not that type of premium company. They're more of like a mom and pop. They're smaller. They're new. They have really beautiful artwork on there. So, you know, check out Common Canvas Designs. Just check them out. And during Black Fridays and Thanksgiving, they had added a whole bunch of new artwork. They have so many new pieces that I want. They're really, really stunning. Female portraits, yes. I really want them. But I normally don't buy from premium companies unless I have coupons. So they might have to wait a little while. But anyways, you guys, if you're liking the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, thank you for returning, watching my video. Continue to support me. And without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.